In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes in Obsidian. Open the Obsidian app. This starts from the main app interface, and the instructions assume your vault is already set up and ready to use. Once Obsidian opens, you'll be on the main dashboard, where the Workspace and File Explorer are visible. Move to the File Explorer on the side of the window. Right-click inside that File Explorer area, then choose New Folder. When the new folder name becomes editable, type Daily Notes. Say it as 2 words, Daily, then Notes. Press Enter to create the folder. Now go to the bottom left corner of the app and click the Settings gear icon. In the Settings panel, select Core Plugins. This is where built-in features for Obsidian can be turned on or off. Find Daily Notes in the list, then toggle it on. Stay in Settings and scroll until you reach Plugin Options. Click Daily Notes. In the Daily Notes settings, find New File Location. Click into that field, then set it to the Daily Notes folder you just created. This tells Obsidian where each daily note should be saved. In the same Daily Notes settings area, find Open Daily Note on Startup and turn that on as well. With that enabled, Obsidian will open directly into today's note each time the app starts. Next, go back to the File Explorer. Right-click again in the File Explorer area and choose New Folder. Type Templates, then press Enter. After the Templates folder appears, open it. Inside that folder, create a new note. When the note name is active, type Daily Note Template, then press Enter. Open the new note so you can add the template content. You'll now enter the sections exactly as provided. Start by typing Capture Tasks, then add open bracket, close bracket. After that, type Notes. Keep the content as the template text you want available inside each daily note. This creates a basic structure for capturing tasks and notes in one place. Now return to Settings. Open Daily Notes again. Find the option labeled Template File Location. Click into that setting and set it to Templates/Daily Note Template. This connects your daily note system to the template note you just made, so each new daily note can use that layout. Next, move to the Hotkeys section in Settings. Click Hotkeys, then use the search field to look for daily notes. Open today's daily note. Type the search carefully so the correct command appears in the results. Once you see that command, click the plus icon next to it to add a shortcut. When Obsidian waits for your shortcut input, press Ctrl+J or Command+J if you're on a Mac. That assigns the shortcut for opening today's daily note instantly. Now use the shortcut you just set. Press Ctrl+J or Command+J. Obsidian will generate today's daily note right away. Because the folder location and template were already configured, the note should be created in the Daily Notes folder and follow the template setup you entered earlier. With today's note open, place your cursor under the Capture section. Now type the thought exactly as given. Type Research Low-Friction Note Systems. Enter it naturally and completely so it appears as the first captured item in today's note. Once that's done, you'll be able to see it in your current account inside the daily note you just created. At this point, the main setup is complete. You've created a dedicated Daily Notes folder. Enable the Daily Notes Core plugin. Set the note location. Turned on automatic opening at startup. Made a Templates folder. Created a Daily Note template note. Connected that template to Daily Notes. Added a hotkey. Generated today's note. And entered your first thought under Capture. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That is basically it, and you have successfully organized notes in Obsidian using folders, tags, and MOC style structure as introduced in this workflow. The important part here is that your daily notes now have a home, a reusable template, and a shortcut that opens today's page immediately. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Open Obsidian. Follow the same setup inside your own vault. And repeat the sequence from the File Explorer through the Daily Notes settings and Hotkeys section until today's note opens with your template in place. Congratulations! You now have a working daily note organization setup in Obsidian.